Hello, everyone, you are all welcome to our channel. Now we will be sharing simple and easy way of making fish cakes at home in the comfort of your kitchen. So sit back and enjoy. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about making fish cakes at home, from their history and essential ingredients to variations, techniques, tips, nutritional information, and step-by-step instructions for preparation. It's a versatile and delicious dish that is perfect for any occasion, from casual weeknight dinners to special celebrations with family and friends. Introduction to fish cakes. Fish cakes are a versatile and delicious dish made from a mixture of cooked fish, potatoes or breadcrumbs, herbs, spices, and other ingredients. These savory patties are often pan-fried until golden brown and crispy, making them a popular appetizer, snack, or main course in many cuisines around the world. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the origins of fish cakes, the essential ingredients needed to make them, various variations and adaptations, techniques for preparing them, and detailed step-by-step instructions for creating this flavorful dish at home. The history of fish cakes. The exact origins of fish cakes are difficult to trace, as variations of this dish have been enjoyed by cultures around the world for centuries. However, fish cakes are believed to have originated in Asia, where they were made from minced fish mixed with spices and seasonings and then shaped into patties. In Europe, fish cakes became popular in coastal regions as a way to use up leftover fish and stale bread. Over time, different countries developed their own versions of fish cakes, each with its own unique flavor profile and preparation method. Today, fish cakes are enjoyed in many different cuisines, from Asian fish cakes made with ingredients like shrimp, crab, or cod, to European fish cakes made with salmon, cod, or haddock. Essential ingredients for fish cakes. While there are many variations of fish cake recipes, the essential ingredients typically include fish. Fresh or cooked fish, such as salmon, cod, haddock, tuna, or shrimp, is the main ingredient in fish cakes. Choose a high-quality fish with firm flesh and a mild flavor for the best results. Binder. A binder, such as mashed potatoes, breadcrumbs, or egg, is used to hold the ingredients together and give the fish cakes their shape. Mashed potatoes add creaminess and texture, while breadcrumbs provide structure and absorb excess moisture. Aromatics. Aromatics such as onions, garlic, scallions, shallots, or leeks add flavor and depth to the fish cakes. These ingredients can be sautéed or finely minced before being added to the mixture. Herbs and spices. Herbs and spices like parsley, dill, cilantro, thyme, paprika, cayenne pepper, or Old Bay seasoning are used to season the fish cakes and enhance their flavor. Experiment with different combinations to find your favorite flavor profile. Optional ingredients. Additional ingredients such as grated cheese, lemon zest, capers, mustard, or hot sauce can be added to the fish cake mixture for extra flavor and texture. Variations of fish cakes. Fish cakes can be customized in countless ways to suit different tastes and dietary preferences. Some popular variations include Asian fish cakes, made with ingredients like shrimp, crab, or whitefish. Asian fish cakes are often flavored with ingredients like fish sauce, soy sauce, ginger, and Thai basil. They can be served with sweet chili sauce or a spicy dipping sauce. Salmon fish cakes, made with cooked salmon fillets, mashed potatoes, and herbs like dill and parsley. Salmon fish cakes are a popular variation in European cuisine. They can be served with tartar sauce or a squeeze of lemon juice. Cod fish cakes. Cod fish cakes are made with cooked cod fillets, mashed potatoes, and herbs like parsley and chives. They are often served with a creamy mustard sauce or a lemon dill aioli. Tuna fish cakes. Tuna fish cakes are made with canned tuna, mashed potatoes, and ingredients like green onions, garlic, and cilantro. They can be served with a spicy mayo or a tangy yogurt sauce. Crab cakes. Crab cakes are a popular variation made with lump crab meat, breadcrumbs, mayonnaise, and spices like Old Bay seasoning. They are often served with a lemon wedge and a dollop of tartar sauce or remoulade. Techniques for preparing fish cakes. Creating perfect fish cakes requires careful preparation and attention to detail. Here are some key techniques to keep in mind. Cooking the fish. Start by cooking the fish until it is fully cooked and flaky. This can be done by baking, grilling, poaching, or steaming the fish fillets until tender. Once cooked, allow the fish to cool slightly before flaking it with a fork. Mashing the potatoes. If using mashed potatoes as a binder, be sure to mash them until smooth and creamy with no lumps. You can also season the mashed potatoes with salt, pepper, and butter for extra flavor. Mixing the ingredients. Combine the flaked fish, mashed potatoes, aromatics, herbs, spices, and any optional ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Use your hands or a spoon to mix the ingredients together until well combined. Shaping the fish cakes. Divide the fish cake mixture into equal portions and shape them into patties using your hands. You can make the patties as thick or thin as you like, depending on your preference. Pan frying the fish cakes. Heat a skillet over medium heat and add a drizzle of oil. Carefully place the fish cakes in the skillet and cook them until golden brown and crispy on both sides, about 3–4 minutes per side. Step-by-step instructions for making fish cakes. Now, let's walk through the process of making classic fish cakes from scratch. Step 1. Prepare the fish. Cook the fish fillets using your preferred method until fully cooked and flaky. Allow the fish to cool slightly, then flake it into small pieces using a fork. Step 2. Prepare the potatoes. If using mashed potatoes as a binder, peel and boil the potatoes until tender. Drain the potatoes and mash them until smooth and creamy. Season with salt, pepper, and butter to taste. Step 3. Mix the ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flaked fish, mashed potatoes, finely chopped onions, minced garlic, chopped herbs, spices, and any optional ingredients. Use your hands or a spoon to mix the ingredients together until well combined. Step 4. Shape the fish cakes. Divide the fish cake mixture into equal portions and shape them into patties using your hands. You can make the patties as thick or thin as you like, depending on your preference. Step 5. Pan fry the fish cakes. Heat a skillet over medium heat and add a drizzle of oil. Carefully place the fish cakes in the skillet and cook them until golden brown and crispy on both sides, about 3–4 minutes per side. Step 6. Serve and enjoy. Remove the fish cakes from the skillet and drain them on paper towels to remove any excess oil. Serve the fish cakes hot with your favorite dipping sauce, such as tartar sauce, remoulade, or aioli. Tips and tricks for making perfect fish cakes. Use high-quality, fresh fish for the best flavor and texture. Choose a mild-flavored fish like cod, haddock, salmon, or tilapia. Be sure to remove any skin, bones, or cartilage from the cooked fish before flaking it into small pieces. If using mashed potatoes as a binder, be sure to mash them until smooth and creamy with no lumps. You can also season the mashed potatoes with salt, pepper, and butter for extra flavor. Experiment with different herbs, spices, and aromatics to customize the flavor of your fish cakes. Popular options include parsley, dill, cilantro, garlic, onions, shallots, and green onions. For added texture and flavor, consider adding ingredients like grated cheese, lemon zest, capers, mustard, or hot sauce to the fish cake mixture. To make the fish cakes ahead of time, you can shape them into patties and refrigerate them for up to 24 hours before cooking. This allows the flavors to meld together and makes for easy preparation when ready to cook. Nutritional information. Fish cakes can be a nutritious and delicious addition to any meal, providing a good source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. However, the nutritional content of fish cakes can vary depending on the ingredients used and the cooking method. Here's a breakdown of the nutritional information for a typical serving of fish cakes. Calories. A single serving of fish cakes, approximately 2–3 cakes, contains around 200,300 calories, depending on the size and ingredients used. Protein. Fish cakes are a good source of protein, with each serving containing approximately 15–20 grams of protein, depending on the type of fish and other ingredients. Fat. Fish cakes are relatively low in fat, with each serving containing approximately 5–10 grams of fat, depending on the cooking method and ingredients used. Carbohydrates. Fish cakes typically contain a small amount of carbohydrates, primarily from the mashed potatoes or breadcrumbs used as a binder. In essence, making fish cakes at home is a delicious and versatile way to enjoy seafood. Whether you prefer classic fish cakes made with cod or salmon, or more exotic variations flavored with Asian spices or herbs, there's a fish cake recipe out there to suit your taste preferences. So gather your ingredients, roll up your sleeves, and get ready to enjoy the irresistible flavor and crispy texture of homemade fish cakes. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, tap or click notification bell, so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video.